Need to collect legally binding signatures directly from your Monday.com workflows? With DocExport's eSignature feature, it's easier than ever. In this video, we'll show you how to generate documents, send them out for signature, and automatically track everything, right from your Monday.com boards. It automates your signature workflows, supports multiple signers and signing orders, and securely stores signed documents. This makes it perfect for use cases like customer contracts, employee onboarding, approval workflows, or lease agreements. DocExport automatically recognizes signature placeholders in your templates. The signed documents are legally binding, non-editable PDFs and include a signature certificate powered by BoldSign. Track the status of your requests using a dedicated signature state column. Signed documents are automatically saved to a file column on your Monday board, and you can add your company's logo and customize the signature portal to match your brand. After signing, signees can be redirected to a custom page. You can also include the exact date the signature was added, and board owners can also revoke signature requests if needed. And you can set expiration dates for each signature request to better manage your timelines. Let's start with the initial setup and authentication. To get started, go to DocExport, click More, and then select Signatures. Now click on Signature Settings. Here you can upload your company logo. This will appear in eSignature emails, in the signing portal, and in the certificate of completion. If you don't upload a logo, the default DocExport logo will be used. Next, you can set how many days a signature request remains valid and define the date format. In the Advanced Settings field, you can also customize the sender name that will appear in emails and add a redirect URL that will show after signing. If you want, you can even define colors for your email so it matches your brand and add a disclaimer. Lastly, you are free to decide how you want to combine and save the different documents. If you're ready, click Save. In the second step, we will set up a sender identity. This is the email address the eSignature request will appear to come from. We click on Sender Identities and select Create New Sender Identity. Then enter a name and an email address. And define the notification settings. Finally, click Save. Then check your inbox. To confirm the sender identity, you should receive an email from our eSignature provider, BoldSign, allowing Tower Apps, the company behind DocExport, to send eSignature requests on your behalf. Click on Approve Request and Approve again on the website. Now, go back to the Monday.com tab in your browser and click on I confirmed the email address. Then click the back button to return to settings. To make it easy, we now generate a starter template. We click on Generate Template and choose how many signers you need to include. Then click on Generate Template to download a docx file. Now open the file and make it your own. You can change and add information, add your logo, use your company's font, and so on. In your templates, you can use standard placeholders like item name or item status to pull data from your Monday.com boards. For signatures specifically, use signature 1 for the signature itself, signature name for the signer's name, and signature date for the date of signing. For a second signer, add signature 2, signature name 2, and signature date 2 to your document. For a third signer, just continue the same pattern. There's one tip. Use a large font size for signature 1 so the image of the signature isn't too small on the final document. Also consider enlarging the signature date placeholder slightly. Here's an example of how it could look. If you need more help customizing it, please check out our Help Center. Now that we have prepared the template, let's set up the workflow in 3 easy steps. Step 1. We upload the template and match the signers. We open the DocExport board view and click on the upload icon. Upload your customized template here. You can now match the signers on the right side. Select a name column and select an email column. You can also choose a people column so that the email address will be pulled automatically from the Monday.com user. Click on the arrow icon to add a message for the specific signer. For example, please sign as discussed. Or add a custom message for all. This message will show up in the email the signers will receive. If you check Signing Order, the second signer will only receive the email as soon as the first signer has signed. If you leave it unchecked, both signers will receive the signing email at the same time. In step 2, we will define the actions. We click on Actions Automation and select a file column for the signed PDF. This is where the final PDF will be saved to. Then choose another file column for the audit log PDF. This is optional but recommended. Then there's one more last step to set up the automation to trigger the workflow with just a click or a status change. So, to set up the Monday automation, we click on Integrate in the top right corner, search for DocExport and click on the DocExport logo. Here you can select your preferred automation. In my example, I opt for the status change integration. Fill in everything and save it to your board. Perfect, we're all set up. Now, go back to your board and trigger the automation to generate and send out the contract for signature. In our example, we changed the status to Send Contract. So, what is happening and what do signers see? After triggering the workflow, signers receive an email from BoldSign. Your company logo will be visible here. They click Review and Sign to open the portal. In the BoldSign signature portal, they see the document preview, your branding, and highlighted signature fields. So they can choose a predefined font, draw their own signature, for example, on a tablet, or upload a scanned image. Once done, they click Finish, and that's it. If there's more than one signer, the second signer will see the document with the first signature already added. After everyone has signed, you will receive a confirmation email with the signed document and an audit log PDF with timestamps attached. Both documents are also automatically saved to your Monday file column, which you defined earlier. And that's how easy it is to manage e-signatures with DocExport. Fast, reliable, secure, and fully integrated into your workflow. On our website, you can find more use cases, templates, and an overview of supported features. No matter the document, no matter the use case, DocExport makes it happen.